Why are middle-aged men asking me to send them sexy videos? Key, what's that all about? This your girl Key responding to an inquiry that I've had in my inbox. And if you've got any heart dilemmas, dating dilemmas, please do inbox me and don't forget to follow. Basically, what I believe this is about, and I'm going to do it succinctly because I can go on for ages. I think it's about men being the victim of their desires and having a lack of control and discipline. And I believe that is because they've become so desensitized to sexual imagery that their expectation has gone up to the point where they just expect that our level will be one where we share incredibly sensitive material. And actually, I'd encourage you ladies to think about it as incredibly sensitive data about yourself, because we never know what a person could do with that data in terms of manipulation, blackmail. And so, you know, if you want to send such a picture to somebody, I would encourage you to have established rapport and trust with that individual, because there's some freaky people out there and there's some weird ass people out there who will be using stuff in a particular type of fashion. And so I think the challenge is, as I said in my response, is one about men being spoiled and desensitized. And for whatever reason, the ladies have given in, or with the sexual objectification of women, we have felt that we've had to concede to the kind of I mean, who's dating anymore? People just want to link you or they inbox. And so there's something about chivalry and like those gentlemanly qualities that women seek in a healthy long-term relationship that, based on my observation, seem to be becoming somewhat outdated and obsolete. Therefore, what you're experiencing is a man that wants a one-dimensional relationship where you potentially will be used as a sexual object. Ladies, if you don't want a man to use you as a sexual object, you better have something in between your earlobes, so that when we converse and we let the individual know we are people of substance. Yes, we have our sexual desires. However, we are individuals who cannot be removed from their vaginas. The vagina comes with the individual, and therefore you need to embody all of me, not just one dimension. The challenge is, ladies, if you've connected, you've bonded, that can start to be tricky. So be careful. Remember, they're going to start throwing the little questions at you and they're going to be testing you. How you respond to that is of utmost importance. And if you need any tips about how to respond to guys when they ask you for sexualized content material from you, be very careful. If you need any tips about how to respond to them, just inbox me. So, as I said, overall, I think men have become desensitized through overexposure of sexualized imagery. And we know that that is an issue. It's an issue that comes up in the therapy room with men that I have worked with who have been struggling with porn addiction. And porn addiction, we also know, is impacting on having real life sex. Because if the dude has been watching Debbie Does Dallas and she's got tassels and she's swinging from all manner of chandeliers, naturally the dude is going to expect your average female to be doing the same thing. And I don't know about you, but here is no gymnast, so you're not getting that kind of service. And sometimes, ladies, we can feel inadequate, and sometimes they can try to make us feel inadequate if we can't swing from chandeliers. No, bro, it don't go down like that. Ladies, you have to know your worth. If you've got any questions or queries about that, get back to me and I'll get you a video. Take care of you, because if you don't, that bozo won't.